Good morning, students. Our next topic is graph. Graph is the pictorial representation of an event. When you see the cricket match, in cricket match there is number of hours and number of run in particular hours. You have seen in the cricket match the tall buildings of the run made by the player. So we can represent the event of the cricket in the pictorial form by the help of graph. So graphical representation of data or the pictorial representation of any event is known as graph. Graph may be of different types: bar graph, pie graph and line graph. So there is one is pie graph. You have seen the percentage of oxygen or nitrogens in the atmospheres, or different percentage of carbon dioxides, other gases, water vapors, that is represented using pie graph. And there is line graph in the other form. So motion of an object can be represented in pictorial form by their distance time graph. The distance time graph for the motion of an object moving with a constant speed is always a straight line. As you show in the figure 1, if the speed is increasing, that is motion is accelerating motion, then graph will be curved. If the object is in the state of rest, it does not move from its initial position, then the distance time graph is a straight line. Now come at the back exercise, fill in the blanks. An object is said to be at rest if it does not change its position with time. The SI unit of time is dash second. A child sitting in a revolving giant wheel is an example of a circular motion. A car moving on a busy street road is an example of non-uniform motion. The speedometer of a motorbike measures its speed in kilometer per hour. Thank you.